Oregon is an incredibly special and unique place. There's no type of landscape that you cannot find here in Oregon. We have deserts, we have mountains, we have the Pacific Ocean on our west shore. We know that the people of Oregon are just as unique as its landscape. Oregon is a place where you can be yourself, you can be unique, you can be different and not be judged. That's why every time somebody comes through our door, we know it's our responsibility to treat them in a way that's unique to them. And we feel lucky to be able to represent people in a state like this. Our firm's main goal really is to help as many Oregonians as we can that are struggling through some of life's greatest challenges. You know, my mom always taught me that if you have something to give this world, that you had a responsibility to do your best and to not waste your talents. You know, I went to law school for the sole purpose to become a trial attorney that could stand up for people that couldn't stand up for themselves. Most of the time against multi-billion-dollar insurance companies, against huge corporations that made products that hurt people, that put profits over safety.
On the way home, normal trip we take every day. All of a sudden I look up and a log truck is running the stop sign. I look in the back seat and I have my older son Dominic holding his teeth in his hands, screaming, "Dad, Layla's dead." She had to be pulled from the car, resuscitated. It was scary, man. Mark and the Johnston law firm came and found us when we needed them. Mark came and met us at the hospital, brought my daughter a stuffed animal, and Mark and the Johnston law firm gave me this real reassuring feeling that, hey, you worry about getting your kid taken care of, and I'll worry about everything else. We settled out of court. We got what we wanted. Not only were we taken care of now, but my daughter's gonna be taken care of her whole life. I never once thought about the legal issues because I knew Mark had it handled.
My husband, he rides a Harley. He said he was gonna go for a ride. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, my brother called me and said, hey, something's happened. And I was told that somebody had made a wrongful turn, and I believe that he died at the scene. And then my daughter had said, maybe we need to hire an attorney to do a wrongful death claim. When I met with Mark, it was no holds barred. They told me what they could do. They keep you abreast what's going on. I would recommend Mark Johnston's law firm. He's a bulldog.
One thing that's unique about our firm is we have one of the only mock courtrooms in a law firm in the entire state of Oregon. So we've designed a practice field that is exactly like the real thing, down to the carpet and the ceiling tiles. We make sure that when we bring a case to a jury, it's not the first time that we've practiced it. If there was only one thing that people would remember about the Johnston law firm, it's that we are going to take care of them the same way that their family would take care of them. We're going to put the same type of effort into their case that we would put in for our own family member. Personal injury is not just about trying to get a financial result for the client, it's making sure that client recovers. Make sure that when the case is over, they've had a good experience with our firm. They've recovered physically because they've seen the doctors they need to, and that they have financial compensation that they need, that they deserve, and that they're entitled to, so they can get back on their feet. The people of Oregon need a lawyer who's from here, someone who's local, experienced, and someone they can trust. At the Johnston Law Firm, our DNA is with the land of Oregon and her people.